Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a site icon in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Then click on General. This will open the General Settings page where you can edit your site title, tagline, and other basic options. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Site Icon. This section lets you upload or change the image that will be used as your site's icon. Click on the Select Site Icon button. This will open the media library. If the image you want is already uploaded, click on it. If you haven't uploaded it yet, click the Upload Files tab, then click Select Files to choose an image from your computer. Make sure the image you use is a square and at least 512 by 512 pixels. This helps the icon look sharp across all devices. After selecting the image, click the Select button in the bottom right. If cropping is required, WordPress will give you tools to crop it now. You can make adjustments or skip cropping if it already looks good. Once you're done, you'll return to the General Settings page and see a preview of your icon. Scroll down and click Save Changes to apply it. Now your site icon is active. That's it. Thank you for watching.